Ayurveda, the science of life and longevity, defines the harmonious blending of the individual body, mind, and spirit with that of the cosmos. As per the Hindu mythology, Brahma, the cosmic creator, composed Ayurveda in 100,000 verses and gifted it to mankind. Thus, this ancient system of therapy, as old as a civilization which treasured it and which it nurtured, continues to flourish in the land south of the Himalayas. The principles of Ayurvedic pharmacology are fundamentally different from that of other systems of medicine, especially the allopathic system of medicine. The vast majority of Ayurvedic medicines are prepared from various herbs. Leaves and flowers are squeezed to obtain their juice. Roots and seeds are crushed and boiled with water to get their essence. To make a decoction, the extracts of plants may again be boiled with other vital ingredients. In other words, Ayurvedic medicines are often prepared under the supervision of an expert physician using classical herbal prescription. Unlike other medicinal systems, the pharmacological process closely resembles the culinary art. This natural system of medicine with a singular pharmacology entails the practice of various unique therapies. Oil therapy is one such example par excellence. It is the application of medicated oil, either internally or externally. It includes pouring of medicated oil on the crown, chest,